It's a cool reunion. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We're going to start with a niggun, a wordless Yiddish tune. We're starting with Yiddish, so with Ashkenazi music side, East European culture, but from the Jewish East European side. And here is the tune. Goes like this. Yeah, oi, sorry, wrong instrument. Ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 da. Let's sing that niggun. Ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 da. Now we go up. Ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 da. Second phrase. Ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 da. All right. Who knows it? Let me see. Anyone has heard it before? No, no. Okay, it's known as an instrumental freilachs, as an instrumental melody, and in our caravan orchestra and choir, which I co-taught this year in Germany, we made that into a niggun, and I believe it has been sung as a niggun. Here we go again. Ya da da, follow me. Ya da 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 ya da 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 da, going up. I da 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 and down, then up. Ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 da. All right. Oh, hello, California. Fantastic. We have a widespread. Ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 da. I'm going to teach you the B section. Goes like this. I ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da da. Twisty. Let's go again. I ya da 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 I ya da 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 I da 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 ya da da. Okay. I die again. I ya da 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 I ya da 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 I da ya da 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 ya da da I ya da 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 I ya da 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 I ya da 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 da. This is our ending here. Okay? Ya da 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 da. Let's sing the B section again. I ya da 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 da. I da ya da 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 ya da da. I ya da 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 da. I ya da 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 da. I ya da 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 da. All right. This is our niggun for today. We'll sing it a couple more times. If you want to chat between yourselves, I know a lot of you haven't seen each other for a long time. I don't mind. I won't know. Okay. From the beginning. Ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 da. B section. I ya da 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 ya da 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 I da ya da 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 ya da da I ya da 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 I ya da 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 I ya da 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 da. Repeat. I ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da da ya da 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 ya da 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 I time, before we do it, I want to ask you, who knows what a Freilachs is? This is a dance genre. Yes, how many people know what a Freilachs is? Right, have you danced a Freilachs? There are certain steps to it. It's kind of a faster, upbeat, happy. Hello, Gilda. I'm going to mute you just because for the sound. It's a fast, happy Yiddish dance, and Freilachs means what? Joyous, happy. So we're going to sing that tune one more time in a joyous way and then switch to our song. All right. Okay. I won't conduct you this time. I'll just accompany, improvise if you're not sure of the tune. Ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da ya da da ya da 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 ya da da ya da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 Stop here. I saw you singing, a lot of you singing, which is wonderful. You are singing with me, right? That's the point. There is actually a setting now that allows, I believe, allows musicians to sing and play together on Zoom. I don't know how good it is. It's like for bands to rehearse, apparently they fixed it, but you need to have Ethernet to connect a cable into your computer with special internet connection. So we're not doing it. It will be lovely to hear your voices, but you know, when I see you live next time, okay? So now we're going to switch to our Yiddish song, and it's quite a known Yiddish song. So before we go to the song sheet, I want to ask you how many of you have heard that song, have sung it? Oy Dortn, Dortn, überm Wasser. Yeah, it's a lovely, beautiful, known song, but it's great that some of you don't know it, which means that, you know, there's a little bit of teaching. So we're going to look at, I have two options, two sheet music for this one, and quite a few recordings. You will listen to Ruth Rubin's recording, right, on my website. She recorded it twice, once with accompaniment, once a cappella in different keys, and they're both lovely in their own, you know, way. The a cappella one is more authentic. The orchestrated one is kind of more classically musical and also has its own beauty. Let's look at the melody. She scans it slightly differently to the file that we are using here. This one is from the Mlotek books, and they mentioned there that the first time this song was published was 1901 in the Ginsberg and Marek songbook, but as we know, there is no sheet music in these songs, it's just texts. So this is like a combination of all these different publications. And we have a lovely text here. So would anyone like to read us the first two stanzas? And maybe then we can both, you know, we can all hear what it sounds like and then put it to music. Just the first two. Who would like to do it? You don't have to. Yes, Bertie, yeah, go on.
Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Wasserl, Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Brick. Vertrieben hast du mir in die weiten Länder und bänk ich noch dir zurück. Oy, wie viel Abenden zusammengesessen, oy, wie viel Abenden spät in der Nacht und wie viel Träler, wir haben beide vergossen, eider wir haben die Liebe zusammengebracht.
Thank you very much. Right, what's in our chat here? Yeah, just people saying hello. Yes, oh, Eve, hello, good to see you. So we all understand what it means or not. We don't have, not everyone speaks Yiddish here. So let's translate these first two. Oh, there, far away, across waters. Who wants to actually translate? Anyone wants to translate it to practice a little bit? I'm not asking Beruya, she's a pro. Who wants to translate it? Anyone wants to tell us what it means? Come on, be brave. I want to hear your voices.
I can't, I'm in my office.
Yeah?
I can try, but
Okay,
I have a little bit of a, getting over a little sore throat.
I can hear it. Oh, get well. Go on.
Thank you. No, I'm much better. There across the water, there across the bridge. You ran away from me to far away lands, and I long for you to come back. How many nights we sat together, how many nights till late in the how many
Well,
evenings
often is evening, but night, evening, night.
yeah how many evenings we sat together, how many evenings until late at night, and how many tears we both shed, or we both poured out before we brought, I guess we brought together the love.
The love, zusammengebracht,
Our
die Liebe, yeah, our love, yeah. Thank you very much, Eve. So
in the first verse, the third line, it's actually vertrieben hast du mich in die weiten Länder. You've driven me away into the faraway lands.
Vertrieben hast du mich, you've driven me away.
Right.
Right.
Thank
Right,
you.
so it's love and separation. We will see it from the next two verses. Who would like to read the next two? Or help mir Gott on you, this. I don't see
I'll
it.
read it.
Yes, thank you very much.
Oy, help mir Gott in you. Oy, Gott in Himmel. Help mir Gott in you, es ist mir nicht gut. Schon seit 3 Jahren, wie wir spielen an Liebe. Und euch spielen die Liebe können wir nicht. Oy, deine Eigenlich, also wie die Karschelach. Oy, deine Liebelech, wie Rose wie Papier. Und deine Fingerlech, wie Tint und wie Feder. Euch schreiben sollst du oft Brief zu mir.
Off the brief to mir. Yes. Who would like to? Thank you, Beth. Who would like to translate? Anyone else's voice we can hear? No?
I could try.
Yes, please.
Oh, help me, God. Oh, God in heaven. Help me, oh God. It's not good with me. Already 3 years that we play at love.
We are in love, right? It's colloquial. We kind of play love, but we are in love, right?
Okay. And I can't play at love anymore. Oh, your eyes that are like cherries, your lips are like rose paper.
Rose paper. Yeah.
Rose paper.
Yeah.
And your fingers so tint.
It's ink.
With ink like a pen. Oh, you should write often letters to me.
Yeah. Now, I know that some of you may know better. It's like your fingers are like ink with a feather, right?
With a pen. No,
Yeah.
a feather is a pen.
Oh, okay. Birurgi, we can't hear you. Birurgi? You're muted. Wait.
It's
Yeah.
the same word. Feather
It's the
can
same
mean either
word.
feather or pen.
It probably came from feather because
Yeah,
people
of
wrote
course,
with...
it came from feather, and
And
it
now,
means both.
tell me please, like,
But here it should be tint and feather, should be ink and a pen.
and thank you. Now, another thing is that Oy spielen die Liebe. We cannot
finish playing
Yeah,
at love.
it's unfinished love. They cannot resolve. It doesn't resolve into anything, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is, love and separation. We don't know what's going on. Either he is far away or they're not allowed to be together. He is away, that's very, very common subject for Yiddish songs. And not just Yiddish songs. We've heard a lot of Russian folklore in these sessions where it's about, two trees standing by two sides of the river and things like this, And we've heard lots of recruit songs where he leaves for 25 years and she's waiting for him and all that. So we don't know what the reason is, but it's certainly, the genre of the song is a love song. Here is the melody. La la da di 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 dum da dum. That's a good key. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Wasser. Let's sing it together. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Wasser. Next line. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Brieg. They're far away, beyond the bridge, across the bridge. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Brieg. Let's bring these two lines together. We are not practicing each line separately. I hope you can just follow as much as possible, even those of you who have never sung in Yiddish. Let's go together. First two lines. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Wasser. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Brieg. Next line. Vertrieben hast du mich. Together. Vertrieben hast du mich. Next line. In die weiten Länder. Again, in die weiten Länder. Sometimes people sing Länder down an octave, yeah? Folk song. So, vertrieben together. Vertrieben hast du mich in die weiten Länder. Last line, we have a big jump down. Und Banken, Bank ich noch dir zurück. Sorry about this dark writing here. Zurück, yeah? Und again together from und Banken, Bank ich noch dir zurück. I'm going to bring the second half of the song together. Vertrieben, yeah? Let's go. Vertrieben hast du mich in die weiten Länder. Und Bank ich noch dir zurück. Let's sing the whole verse. I hope you can see this whole thing on your screen. It's quite small on mine. All right. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Wasser. Oy Dortn, Dortn, ibern Brieg. Vertrieben hast du mich in die weiten Länder. Und Banken, Bank ich noch dir zurück. I think it's a stunningly beautiful tune. What do you think? It's very folky, kind of simple, but because of these big intonation jumps up and down and slight irregularities, you kind of can breathe between these lines, and sometimes it's like you can stretch a line for longer, shorter. It's really a beautiful, flexible melody. So, oh, Denise, hello! Lovely. Yifa, hello! Good to see you all. Great company today. So we're going to sing through the whole song now, yeah? All verses. You're okay with the tune now? All right, okay, let's come and enjoy the whole thing. I will be scrolling the... Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll just put... Oi, 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 oi. Here, I'll put this in front of you and I'll lead you through the tune. I hope you can see the Yiddish. I hope you can see the Yiddish. All right. Oy zusammengebracht. Let's repeat the last two lines. Ohne wie viel Trauerlich wir haben beide vergossen. Jeder wir haben die Liebe zusammengebracht. Oi, helf mir Gott, oi Gott in Himmel. Helf mir Gott, es ist mir nicht gut. Schon seit 3 Jahren wie wir spielen a Liebe. Und euch spielen die Liebe können wir nicht. Don't know how to scan it. Let's try again. Last two lines. Schon seit 3 Jahren wie wir spielen a Liebe. Und euch spielen die Liebe können wir nicht. Oi, deine Egelech, azoi wie die Kirkarschelech. Oi, deine Liebe lach wie Rose wie Papier. Oi, deine Liebe lach. Oh, sorry. Oi, deine Fingerlech, wie Tint und wie Feder. Oi, schreiben sollst du auf den Brief zu mir. Oi, deine Fingerlech, wie Tint und wie Feder. Oi, schreiben sollst du auf den Brief zu mir. All right. How is that? How is that? Anyone crying yet? I find it profoundly sad. Have you heard Adrian Cooper sing that one? I have it in my ear. Adrian Cooper's voice. I think she has sung it. I couldn't find it. Or maybe I'm just hallucinating, but I have her voice so kind of brightly in my ear. Adrian Cooper was a fantastic, charismatic Yiddish educator, singer, performer. If you don't know her, look her up. Yeah, she certainly did. So whenever she sang, it was so personal. She made every song very personal. And whenever there is a lyrical song about love and loss and separation, I always hear her voice. And it was her birthday on the 1st of September, so kind of we remembered her again. Yes, Beth.
But which do you like better to sing? Weiterländer, Weiterländer. Which do you think is better musically?
You know what I say, Beth? I think that when you're singing all 4 verses, you should vary between them.
Vary them, okay.
Yeah. Da 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 da. It's a lovely drop down. Ya da 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 da. So you can stretch it. So it's your artistic choice.
Okay.
Yeah, I certainly like to do a variation, not the same thing every time. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions, impressions? You want to say something? People who haven't heard it before, nothing. Nah, you're also...
It's beautiful.
Isn't it? Yeah. Aoife, did you know this before? Did you know this song?
No, I looked it up today on the Mrotek site because I thought you were going to teach it. It's beautiful.
Yeah. So Aoife is first of all, Aoife is in my choir, but she's suddenly become a Yiddish song. Not just you're studying it, right? You've studied Yiddish. You've studied Yiddish language in Paris. You've studied Yiddish song. Suddenly, Aoife is now a specialist in Yiddish. I mean, she's really deep into this thing. Just in a few months, right? Just in a few months. Within a few months, you got into this. And Aoife sang a solo song at the Yiddish Song School in London, and she became a star of our song school. She was like really beautiful.
I'm blushing at work.
It was fantastic. So, and lyrical songs are your style. So, if you want to take this one.
I'm going to. It really draws you in, these songs. They're so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, we're going to jump into a Russian song, into a Tchaikovsky. It's quite a long song. It's a big art song. It's a romance. So I don't know how many of you here have sung Russian. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Deborah, for this link. How many of you have sung Russian art songs, romances with me? You certainly have if you've been in my classes. So you know about that genre of art songs, and they were very, very kind of popular in the 1800s, beginning of the 1900s, all the way through Soviet times. Much loved by people to sing at home, to sing as a kind of solos or duets with piano or guitar accompaniment. Still very much loved genre. And our classics like Tchaikovsky and Rachmaninoff and Rimsky-Korsakov, you name it, Borodin, they all wrote Russian art songs. They became more sophisticated as it went through time. Like Rachmaninoff art songs are much more complex in their musical language compared to, say, Tchaikovsky or even earlier stuff like Alyabiev and Gurylev. They were the kind of the originators of that genre. And you have, in Western culture, we have Lieder, we have Schumann, Schubert. Schubert is very much kind of like close to what Tchaikovsky was doing in Russia at the time. So we're going to look at one of these art songs today. I know that some of you have heard it before, have even sung it before, right? Can we have a show of hands? Who is familiar with this one? Yeah, Hugh, you've sung it before? Yeah? Gilda, anyone else? Okay. I won't do it justice because I'm teaching it and playing it, and you know, it'll be lots of things for me with this new Zoom. When you hear the piano part together with the voice part, it's a very simple, very kind of naive, romantic, beautiful little piano part, but it really adds something. We're going to read through the whole text now, and we would like volunteers here who read in Russian. I believe we have quite a few here. So let's go to this. We have 5 verses. Who would like to read the first 2? No, come on. Native speakers are also invited. Eve, do you want to do it? I see your lips moving.
I'm not a native speaker like you, but
yeah, but you're good.
The first strophe.
The first couple. Yeah, come on.
Sred шумного бала случайно. Wait, I'm gonna have to read this Cyrillic. It's too hard to read. В тревоге мирской суеты. Суеты?
Суеты.
Суеты. Тебя я увидел, но тайна твой покрывала черты. Лишь, no, it's a very small. Okay.
I'm sorry. Shall I do this?
Yeah, better. Thank you. That's better. Лишь очи печально глядели, а голос так дивно звучал, как звон отдаленной.
It's your.
Yeah, it doesn't. Отдаленной свирели, как море играющий вал.
Thank you. Beautiful. So you can tell this is romantic style. This is this very emotional, very kind of picturesque expression of love. Who would like to translate? I mean, there is a translation there on the right, but who would like to give their own interpretation of this? Now, what's happening in chat? Golden Peacock Yifa, Naomi, okay, saying hello. Okay, who would like to translate this? Amidst the noisy ball, who would like to do it? Anyone? I don't see your hands. Did you still want to do it? Nah, come on. Nah, too modest. All right, too shy. All right, Paul, do you want to try and translate the first 2?
Well, I'm reading in the right. Amidst the noisy ball, by chance, in the alarm, in the commotion of worldly suete.
Sueta is kind of when everything is fussy, everything is like. Everything is kind of whirling around you. What's the word for suete?
Whirlwind.
Yeah.
Whirlwind. I saw you, but the secret, тайна твои покрывала твои.
You're
But
translating.
the secret covered your features.
Yeah, and that's not just a secret. It's like a
mystery.
Mystery.
It says.
Yeah. Next one.
Only your eyes looked sad. But your voice divinely sounded.
And divna is kind of Divna, it's like a little miracle.
Wild, it's wild too. No, that's Diki.
That's
Divna.
Diki, no, Divna. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Divna.
It says
That's
divine,
one,
that'll do. Uh-huh.
like the sound of the far off. I can read these
Свирель
better
is a
than I can
little
translate.
flute, a wooden flute.
Sviri-
Yeah, it's like,
sviri-
yeah, like a little pipe. Yeah.
Far off pipes, like the water playing a ball.
A val is it's like when waves roll, big
That I
wave
don't know.
roll. Yeah.
Oh.
It's an interesting comparison because it's her voice, and he's comparing her voice to a faraway little flute, like, imagine a shepherd's flute, and like the sea waves, which is interesting. Why? What kind of voice is that? Okay, who would like to read the next two?
I can read better than I can translate it.
That was fantastic, Paul. Come on. That was fantastic. All right, anyone? No?
I can, but let's say it's my language, so if it
But
doesn't make any sense.
You know what? It'll be lovely. It's good to hear your voice too. Yeah, go on, Denis.
Окей. Мне стан твой понравился тонкий, и весь твой задумчивый вид, а смех твой грустный и звонкий с тех пор в моем сердце звучит. Часы одинокие ночи, люблю я усталый прилечь, я вижу печальные очи и слышу веселую речь. И грустно я так засыпаю, и в грезах неведомых сплю. Люблю ли тебя, я не знаю, но кажется мне, что люблю.
Thank you. And now everyone could hear, like, a native speaker's reading of this. Okay. Anyone wants to translate this? What would be good is somebody who understands Russian, but you can look at this translation so you can compare these two things and add your own, whatever. Anyone wants to practice a little bit? No? Oh. Beth, do you want to try? No? Okay. I'll do it. You help me. I will not look at the right column, okay? So it's interesting that in these poems of that time, very often the comments, like when somebody was falling in love, especially a man falls in love with a woman, usually it describes her looks, right? Her looks, her beautiful eyes, her beautiful voice, her stature, her figure, her shape. So he liked her narrow, thin, shape, and your whole задумчивый, фартрахта, how do we translate that, фартрахта? Your all in your own thoughts, your look, that's like you're all in your own thoughts. And your laughter, both sad and ringy, zingy, bright, since that time has in my heart, сердце, heart, звучит, has been ringing in my heart since. В часы одинокие ночи, in the hours of lonely nights, or in the lonely hours of the night, at night, люблю я, I love, усталый, a tired one, прилечь, to lie down, I like to lie down, me, tired one. Я вижу печальные очи, I see the sad eyes, я слышу веселую речь, I hear a joyous speech. И грустно я так засыпаю, and so with sadness I fall asleep, и в грезах неведомых сплю, and I fall asleep in unknown dreams. Люблю ли тебя? люблю, all of you know, люблю, it's a known word. Love, yeah? Люблю тебя, do I love you? Я не знаю, I don't know. Но кажется мне, but it seems to me, что люблю, that I love you. What's interesting in this poem, when you read it, there is no, like, you can interpret the last lines. Люблю я тебя, я не знаю, но кажется мне, что люблю. I don't know if I love you, but it seems to me that I do. Or it can be dramatic. Do I love you? There are so many ways to interpret this. And we will see once we've sung the Tchaikovsky that he does interpret the poem. He does give it an emotional meaning. The meaning is that sadness. I posted just a tiny bit of the story. The writer, the poet, was in love with this wonderful woman. They were both aristocracy, but she was married and she couldn't get a divorce, and they were separated for 7 years. Basically, it's so interesting that until his mother who was dead against his wedding, his marriage with this woman, and her husband both died or gave her divorce. There was like so much like pushing things away. They've been known to have an affair for many years, but eventually they got married and lived some time together. It's interesting that they survived all these years, like striving to be together. So it's like a nice continuation to our first song, Oy Dortn, Dortn, you're so far away, write letters to me. No, these people actually did get together. We're going to go line by line. The melody repeats, but it's not straightforward all the time. It has little kind of exceptions here and there. I hope you can see as much as possible on the screen, right? How is it? You can see it? I can see it. I'm going to sing a line, you sing it back. Now, if the Russian is too much, la la la. Sred шумного бала. Together. Sred шумного бала. Listen to that rhythm, it's kind of breathing. Sred шумного бала. Случайно. So there's a gap there, right? Средь шумного бала. Случайно. One more time. Средь шумного бала. Случайно. Listen. В тревоге мирской суеты. Okay, в тревоге. So we're going from the last phrase here, в три. Okay? В тревоге мирской суеты. Next line. Тебя я увидел. Again. Тебя я увидел. Carry on. Но тайна видел тайна. Big jumps, yeah? Тебя. Let's go from te here, te and. Тебя я увидел, но тайна. Next line. Твои покрывала черты. Pretty straightforward. I'll sing that last line again. Твои покрывала черты. I'm going from the very beginning really slowly. Follow me as much as you can. Средь шумного бала. Случайно. В тревоге мирской суеты. Тебя я увидел, но тайна твои покрывала черты. Alright? Now, the next bit is very similar. It's just different text. So we are right here in the middle of this line. Лишь. This is where the eyes were looking sadly. I'm going to sing a line, you sing it back. Лишь очи печально глядели. Let's go, you sing. Лишь очи печально глядели. Next line. Я голос так дивно звучал. That's your а голос. Let's go together. А and а голос так дивно звучал. Next line. Как звон отдаленный. Again that jump. Как звон, again, как звон отдаленный. Listen. Сверели, облили. It's the same jump this time. Right? I'm going from как звон here, end of this the top line you're seeing on your screen. Как как, let's go, как звон отдаленной свирели. Now we have a slightly different ending. Как море играющего. Lots of chromatic movements, semitones going down, very romantic, very Tchaikovsky. One more time, как море. Как море играющего. Let's bring the second so-called verse together. So this is where we go from the repeat of the tune, but with different text. Лишь очи. Can you see this? I'm putting it to the top of our screen. It's in the middle of that line. Лишь очи печально глядели. Let's go. Лишь. 1, 2. Лишь очи печально глядели, а голос так дивно звучал, как звон отдаленной свирели, как море играющего. This is actually the sea wave rolling, so it's kind of rolling down all the way to your feet. All right, I suggest we go from the beginning up to here. There will be a little other tune in it, but and then there is a repetition of this. It's beautifully constructed. So we see first verse, second verse with slight variation where the second verse takes us somewhere else, right? Beautiful structure from Tchaikovsky, really genius. Let's go. Средь шумного бала случайно в тревоге над мирской суеты тебя я увидел, но тайна твои покрывала черты. Лишь очи печально глядели, а голос так дивно звучал, как звон отдаленной свирели, как море играющего. We're in major now. Listen, next bit. This is where he talks about her figure and her beautiful voice and her whole mysterious Vertrachte, kind of all her thoughts. Look, мне стан твой понравился тонкий. One more time. Мне стан твой понравился тонкий. Next line. И весь твой задумчивый вид. Together. И весь твой задумчивый вид. So let's sing from Мне стан твой, from the major bit. I'll play, you sing. Practice doing it on your own. Мне 1, 2. Мне стан твой понравился тонкий. И весь твой задумчивый вид. And now. А смех твой и грустный, и звонкий. It's taking us somewhere else, modally, yeah? А смех, okay, together, your laughter, let's go. А смех твой и грустный, и звонкий. С тех пор в моем сердце звучит. And your laughter, your ringy and sad laughter at the same time, since then has been resonating in my heart. Let's sing that from the major section. Мне стан твой понравился тонкий. Top of your line you're seeing now on your screen. 1, 2. Мне стан твой понравился тонкий. И весь твой задумчивый вид. А смех твой и грустный, и звонкий. С тех пор в моем сердце звучит. go back to the melody like in the beginning. You're here in that line. В часы одинокие. Slight change in the rhythm. Let's go again. В часы одинокие ночи. In the lonely hours of the night. Let's go together. В часы. В часы одинокие ночи. Carry on. Люблю я усталый прилечь. Люблю again. Люблю я усталый прилечь. How is that? Let's go from в часы, just the line above, starting from that repeated melody. В часы, 1, 2. В часы одинокие ночи. Люблю я усталый прилечь. Carry on. Я вижу печальные очи. Yeah, slight variation again. Я вижу печальные очи. Yeah, я вижу from the last note on that previous page. Here, я. Let's go. 1, 2. Я вижу печальные очи. Next line. Я слышу веселую речь. Together. Я слышу веселую речь. This very much minor phrase. You know what it says? I hear your jolly, your happy, your freilacha, your happy speech, right? How happy is that? It's kind of he's thinking of it as sad, even though he's speaking of it as joyous. And Tchaikovsky is as brilliant as that. He's always been brilliant at turning words into its opposite. For example, I'm just giving you a little break here. In Tatiana's aria in Eugene Onegin, she sings, everyone calls me child. Меня ребенком все зовут. Everyone calls me a child. And it's the lowest notes that, I think she's a soprano. I think it's the lowest note that they actually sing. But everyone calls me a child. You know, it's so interesting. So here is what Tchaikovsky did. I'm hearing your happy voice, happy speak. Okay. Now, we are almost there. И грустно так. So we are here. The last verse. And so with such sadness, I fall asleep. Okay? И let's go line by line. И грустно так засыпаю. Okay, one more time. И грустно так засыпаю. И straight into that line. И в грезах неведомых сплю. I've ticked this red tick here, little sign here, to indicate that there is no break. There have been breaks in the past in a similar tune. Here, it's not. It's a variation like in folk songs, okay? Игру, let's go from игру here. И грустно так засыпаю, и в грезах неведомых сплю. How is that? Let's do it one more time. И грустно так засыпаю, и в грезах неведомых сплю. This is the grand, the coda. Люблю ли тебя, я не знаю. This is new material. Do I love you? I don't know. Remember I said that these lines can be read in many different ways. For here, it's an outburst. It's forte, which means it's loud, it's emotional, it's an outburst. One more time this line. Люблю ли тебя, я не знаю. And then quiet. but it seems to me that I do. Но кажется мне, что люблю. Let's sing the last coda together. Люблю, yeah? Люблю ли тебя, я не знаю, но кажется мне, что люблю. Now this was a very fast kind of learning, familiarizing ourselves with the song. We're going to sing the whole thing. How was it for you? What do you think of the melody? What do you think? Isn't it pretty? Isn't it very pretty? Now, I'll do my absolute best to play through it and sing through it. I have the score in front of me on 4 pages. I'll have to turn pages as I'm playing. I'll do my best. Don't judge me too strictly. And after that, listen to this. There's numerous recordings of this romance, of this classic Tchaikovsky art song. So do go and sing. It's usually in a different key, either much lower or much higher. Kind of high, but I found that key, it should suit most of us, and I'll take you through it the best I can. Let's go. I will turn my pages and I will turn your page on the screen. If I forget to do it, switch on, unmute, and say, Polina, you're not letting us see the score. Средь шумного бала случайно в тревоге мирской суеты тебя я увидел, но тайна на твои покрывала черты. Лишь очи печально глядели, а голос так дивно звучал, как звон отдаленной свирели, как море играющего. Мне стан твой понравился тонкий, и весь твой задумчивый вид, и смех твой и грустный, и звонкий. С тех пор... Wait. И смех твой и грустный, и звонкий, с тех пор в моем сердце звучит. В часы одинокие ночи люблю я усталый прилечь и вижу печальные очи. I've lost it. Очи, я слышу веселую речь, и грустно так засыпаю, и в грезах неведомых сплю.
Please flip the page for us.
Thank you very much. Люблю ли тебя, я не знаю, но кажется мне, что люблю. There it is. Beth, you're holding your ears covered. Something wrong with the sound. Let me come back to you all. There we go. Here, I see you. Yes. How was that? Sorry, I was just turning pages and
Beautiful.
everything at once, but you get an impression. Do you see how it beautifully develops? It's a repetition with a change completely going up and then going back to the main melody, but not exactly how it is, with a different ending, with a different coda. So that was it. We have 3 minutes to say goodbye to each other. It's been absolutely fantastic to see you all. Fantastic to see you all. I'm tempted to say let's have another one. I can't plan it yet. My autumn will be absolutely crazy, but I will be starting an online Yiddish song course for the Workers' Circle. It will be 5 sessions. It's called Yiddish Song Brushstrokes. It'll be songs with kind of imagery. Songs that paint a certain picture. It can be an internal picture as well, but it'll be lots of external, like Goldene Pavers and all sorts of von jener Zeit Lied, you know some of these songs. So that's a course. And then I hope to see you in Germany this weekend, in America in February, in London tomorrow.
Where are you in Germany?
I'm
Where
in
are
Germany.
you?
I'm tomorrow in Hamburg. On Saturday and Sunday I'm in Hamburg.
Okay.
And then I'll
I'm
be
in
there.
Bavaria, so that's very far
I'll
away.
be in Essen in October.
Okay.
I'm traveling. So thank you very
Where
much.
where in February and where in the US in February?
There'll be Minnesota. There'll be maybe a Seattle. There may be something else. It's a tour with Psoikarenka. I'm looking for places to go in April. I have an open week there in April. So if you know of anywhere I can go, just me on my own, with concerts and workshops, I'd love that. I'd love to fill up my schedule and see you all.
Montreal.
I'd love to come. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much. That was kind of a rush through 2 songs, but I hope pleasant. Yes, thank you very much, Doug. Actually, I'm talking to Shira about coming to do a Kitka thing in April, so that might happen.
Mm-hmm.
All right. See you all again, and keep singing. Keep singing. Fantastic to see you. Be well.
Thank
Bye.
you.